Meet Jill. Jill is a full-time nurse who's trying to find a side hustle so that she could earn more income. She begins to go online and research how to make money online. She stumbles across trading and investing stocks. She's heard many stories about it, some good, some bad, but she's excited about the idea. Many thoughts come in her head, and she's excited about it, that she'll be trading and traveling and making lots of money. She eventually goes back online on YouTube and other resources and begins to self-teach herself. She practices what she has been learning on a live account. She begins to start making money early. She's excited. She's happy. The next few months go by, and she's feeling unstoppable. Then things suddenly change. Market conditions begin to change, and she begins to take a lot of losses and start losing a lot. She loses almost everything, and she's very upset and about to give up. But when she's about to give up, she decides to invest in herself and buys a course to learn from. And finally, the pieces start coming together. Months pass. While working as a nurse full-time, she begins to save most of her money and put in an investment account while learning all at the same time. 6 months pass, and she saves $10K, and she goes back to live with a small account with $1K. It begins to grow. Eventually it grows to $4,500, and she adds the additional $10K that she has been saving. And this becomes her initial capital seed that she's hoping that it grows. And in a few years, it grows and blossoms into a bigger account of compound interest. Now she has her income as a nurse and her income from trading. And she is just so excited because now she's making more money than ever. And the moral of the story is to invest in yourself. It may take time, but it's definitely worth it.